In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in ConvertKit. First, log into your ConvertKit dashboard. At the very top, you'll see the main navigation. Hover over or click on the option labeled Grow. A submenu will appear underneath it. From that submenu, choose Landing Pages and Forms. On this page, you'll see different cards. Look for the one labeled Landing Pages. Inside that card, click the button that says Create a Landing Page. This is where the setup process begins. ConvertKit will now show you a gallery of landing page templates. On the left-hand side, there's a sidebar with filters that help you narrow down your choices based on your goal. For example, you can filter by event, links, newsletter, podcast, product, profile, video, waitlist, webinar, or ebook. Take a moment to think about the primary purpose of your landing page. Then use those filters to find a layout that fits. Once you find one you like, click the Choose button on that templates card. After you've selected a template, the page will reload and open the landing page editor. In the center, you'll see a live preview of your landing page. On the right-hand side, there's a sidebar with editing and styling options. By default, this usually opens to the general styles, where you can adjust things like heading fonts, body text, background colors, form background, page background, and sometimes add custom CSS depending on the template. To customize specific elements, simply click directly on them in the preview. When you click a block or section, its unique settings will appear in the sidebar. If it's a text element, click on the text in the preview and start typing to edit it in place. You can also add a separate page, usually used as a thank you page. At the top of the editor, click on plus add page. ConvertKit will automatically create a thank you page for you. You can edit this page in exactly the same way as the main landing page, adjusting the text, design, and layout so it matches your brand and message. Next, look toward the top right of the editor and click on Settings. A pop-up window will open with several tabs. Under General, choose what happens after someone subscribes. You can show a simple success message, redirect them to the thank you page you just created, or redirect them to an external URL. Under Domain Name, select which custom domain to use if you have more than one connected, and edit the page URL so it's clean and easy to remember. In the Incentive section, decide whether to send an incentive email and whether to automatically confirm new subscribers. This is where you'd paste the URL or upload the file that people will receive, such as a free download. In the Advanced tab, choose what happens to the form after someone subscribes. Continue to show the form, hide it, or show custom content. You can also decide whether to send subscriber data to the thank you page and whether to enable invisible reCAPTCHA to help reduce spam. Under SEO and Analytics, you can edit how your landing page appears in search results and when it's shared on social media. Update the title, description, and social sharing image, and connect any analytics tools you're using for tracking performance. Whenever you make adjustments in these settings, remember to click Save in the pop-up before closing it. Once you're happy with your design, content, and settings, go back to the top right corner of the editor and click Save and Publish. This will make your landing page live and ready to share with your audience. After publishing, you can copy the URL and start sending traffic to your new ConvertKit landing page.